Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, identifying solutions to a linear equation in two variables. So what that means is, just like this, we're going to have an equation with two variables, and they're going to give us set amounts of points. And what we're going to attempt to do is figure out whether each of those points is a solution or not. So if I plug both points in, both the x and the y, I should say the coordinates of the points, if I plug those both in, then I will get a true statement as opposed to a false one. So I'm going to basically do the same process 4 times because I have 4 points. So let's go ahead and split up my workspace over here. So I'm going to start with this top one. It doesn't really matter, but I'll just work down. So I have negative 3 for my x and 6 for my y. I'm going to substitute, in for x and y here. So 7, since I am going to be plugging something in, I am going to put parentheses around it. So 7 times x turns into 7 times negative 3, plus, similarly, 5 times 6 equals 9. So nothing changes except I take the x and y out, and I replace it with my values of x and y over here. Then I'm just going to simplify. So I get 7 times negative 3 is negative 21, plus 30 equals 9. Negative 21 plus 30 is 9. So I get down to 9 equals 9. That is a true statement. So yes, this first one is a solution because I get a true statement. Okay. If I get something else, and I'm sure we'll see this, where they are not equal to each other, like 1 equals 2 or something, then that would be not a solution, or however you want to phrase that. So moving over, I'm going to do 5 and 0. So same thing, plugging in my x and my y values, and simplify. 35, 0. Right away, we get one of those that doesn't work. 35 is not equal to 9, so this one is not a solution. Okay. And we're just going to keep working down to our last two, and we'll be good to go. So 7 times 2 plus 5 times negative 1 equals 9. 14 plus negative 5 equals 9. That is true. 9 equals 9. Okay. And last but not least, 7 times negative 4 plus 5 times negative 3 equals 9. So over here I get negative 28 plus negative 15 equals 9. Definitely not going to work. There's going to be a lot of negatives there, so that's a big no there as well. Or you can take this all the way to the bottom if you feel so inclined, and you get negative 43. So it definitely does not work. So one little note at the end here, when you do these kind of things over and over and over again, we're doing the same process, it's very easy to mix up your numbers or make mistakes. So make sure you didn't flip the 7s, 5s, or anything like that. So it's always good to go back and double check whenever you have these repeated types of problems.